Hello children. How are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you birds. Birds. Let's start. Do you see birds around your house? Yes, very good. Do you see pigeon? Yes, very good. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is sparrow. It's very small bird. This is a sparrow. This is a crow. A crow. This is a parrot. Say mittu mittu. Yes. This is eagle. This is eagle. This is ostrich. This is ostrich. And these are flamingo. Flamingo. This is owl. This is owl. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national